tell you the biggest, the most lofty tattva that I have realized. And that tattva, Vamshi Vibhushita Karan, holds a flute in his hand. Navanīradābhāt, and his complexion he has stolen from the freshly formed rain cloud. Pītāmbarat, his dhoti is like that of lightning. And Aruna Bimba Phala Dharushtad, and his lips are crimson red like freshly cut bimba fruit. And Purnendu Sundara Mukhat, and his face is spotless, full moon. And Aravinda Netrat, and his eyes are those blue lotus petals which almost go and touch his ears, which are always moist, which open and close with the sun and the moon. His name is Krishna. And Krishnat param kim api tattvam aham na jane. And I don't know anything equal or greater than him.